Hi, you know what this means? Another cleaning video. When you see me washing a load in the beginning of a video, that means it's time to clean. Today I'm going to be cleaning up my kitchen, or I'm going to upload the video of cleaning up my kitchen. But I really almost did a half a day clean because I cleaned my dining room and I re-cleaned my living room a little. It wasn't much to do from the last time, but I'll show you those videos a day or two. But thank you so much. I can't get my thoughts together right now. I'm just thinking of one of my associates or friends that I grew up with. He went on a fishing trip by himself, and at night, and they didn't hear back from him. And when they went out there, to, I guess, to check on him or whatever, they didn't see him. So I guess they called the police, and the police came, and the police went looking around the canal, fishing canal, and they saw a boat that was flipped over in some fishing gear, but he wasn't nowhere to be found. So, my mind is scrambled a little, but I'm praying for the family. I'm keeping them in my prayers. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it motivates you to get up and clean, to do some cleaning today. And until then, let's get on to this video. I will not be doing a whole lot of talking in the video because, my mind is really not on it right now. So, yeah. So until then, see ya.
Say that it's too late for us now. Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She better texting when I look away. 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better.
I want to hop right in right quick to tell you, please don't forget to clean that out. You see how nasty that looked? That was, oh my goodness. So I try to remember to clean that out constantly. I do clean mine constantly, and it still builds up with that dicky junk. Ugh. But I try to clean mine out at least every 2 weeks or sometimes more. I'll go ahead and look, but it depends on how, constantly, I use my garbage disposer. So I just want to jump in to tell you, have you taken a look at yours? Take out the rubber part, look up under it, and clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it.
To study your body, who gets the better version of you? Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better, better truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better, better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you.
Right here, I just wanted to jump right in to tell you with my meal planning, it helps me to constantly keep my refrigerator clean. And when I say constantly, that means every week. I know what's in my refrigerator. I know the inventory. I know what's going bad. I know how long I have to use it because I'm constantly making these weekly meal plans, and I'm checking all the time. And like I say, on Sundays, Saturdays or Sunday, really, most of the time I clean my refrigerator out on Sunday because that's when I go shopping after church on Sunday. But this week I cleaned it out on Monday. This video is late, really late. This video I did on Monday. So yeah, sorry about that. But I clean it out before I go and shop. So that's what I did before I went shopping on Monday. I didn't go shopping Sunday because I was kind of tired, but I did go Monday. I clean it out. I know what's in my refrigerator. I know what to cook. Yeah, so it's good to weekly meal plan. I'm constantly organizing. I feel great about my refrigerator now. When I used to be like, oh, just pile it up in there and stuff just sitting there, no lie, for 2, 3, 4 weeks, no lie. Now see, that one right there was bad, but I knew that was kind of going bad. So we hurry up and use it with the chili on last week, but the little bit left, it just went on and went bad. So yeah, I constantly keep it clean out. So I am enjoying the weekly meal plan. Who all have gotten on the board with the weekly meal plan, or the 2 weeks meal plan, or the monthly meal plan? Have you been doing that? Shoot me a comment below and let me know how you feel about it. I'm telling you, it's a life changer for me. I am so happy to have it on my board or in my book, so I can go ahead on and know what's going on with what's in my fridge and what I'm cooking for the week. But usually I hang it on a refrigerator, so I got to take it out of my book and put it back on my refrigerator. All right then, I'm gonna let you enjoy the video.
Is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better, better you. Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better, better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better, better you. Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better, better you. Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better, better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better, better you. Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better, better you. Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better, better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better, better you.
I just want to mention when I take up the rugs, that you will see that there's some stuff on the floor. That's where one of my rugs, where it was wet. Not one of them, both of them. The floor was wet, and the rubber that was up under some rugs I used to have, it stuck to the floor. And I know some of my YouTube fam members have told me to use the glue gone. So when I was going to purchase it, I had already let the office know about what was going on, and also it's a rip of the flooring in front of the stove that was done a while back before I had this new stove from one of the from the old stove from a maintenance man when he went behind it. So they're supposed to change the flooring. So I didn't want to waste my money and getting that up, my money and time and getting that up. So that's why I never went and got it up, and I left it there because they're going to change the whole flooring. When, I don't know, but they said they're going to change it. So also as well, I know y'all saw me sweep and just put the rugs back down and not mop. That's because I mopped on Wednesday or Thursday. I've already mopped, so the floor doesn't need to be mopped, but I will mop this weekend coming up. I will mop the floor this weekend coming up, so it was good. So that's why I did not mop, but I just want to give y'all some info, the reason why that stuff was, the gook was on the floor.
With that girl you texting when I look away, 'cause in the echo of your silence I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence I'm thinking more of her. She wants to say.
Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope this motivated you to get up and clean your kitchen. And I just want to say thank you for your commenting. The views have went up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead on. I don't know when, I don't know where, and I don't know how. But I do know one thing for sure, that Jesus will always make a way.